What is up, all you funnel hackers? I regret to inform you that the old Funnel Hacker Labs beta, we're not going to be off technical support for there, so you won't be able to get these new bonuses that we're offering in Funnel Hacker Labs 2.0. So guys, I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate you guys hopping on the team and utilizing it and just providing me with a lot of support and showing me what we can improve. So what I'd love to be able to do right now, we're offering Funnel Hacker Labs at a monthly price of $67 a month. What I'd love to be able to do is offer you guys, my OG users, my guys that kept me supported, kept us helping, kept us growing. I'd love to be able to offer you guys at a fraction of the cost. What I'll do is I'll knock off 20 bucks. We'll make it $47 for you guys. So if you want that discounted price and you're interested in continuing to utilize Funnel Hacker Lab, what we're doing is actually bumping up the landing pages. Instead of having 200, we plan to have 500 different landing page templates. If you guys are interested in utilizing that, like I said, it's only going to be $47 for you guys per month, because I really appreciate all the work, all the help that you guys are in. I really appreciate that you guys are the OG beta testers to give me all that support. What I'd love to be able to do is offer $47 to you. So click on the link down below, type in the discount OG Hackers, and then you will receive a discount to making the price going down to $47 a month, just for you guys. And all I require is just you guys to submit a little survey to help me improve the product, improve the software even more. So like I said, guys, we're canceling out the original Funnel Hacker Labs beta. We're making it into Funnel Hacker Labs 2.0. Now we're offering an additional 300 landing page templates, so we're making up to 500 landing page templates, same amount of niches. And what we're also going to be doing is, like I said, offering that at a fraction of the cost in exchange for you guys helping me out on this survey, pretty much telling me what do I need to improve so we can make this better for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. If you have any questions, comment down below or schedule a call with me. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.